So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the wallpaper blur issue on your home screen. Right now you can see the background wallpaper is blur. Now if you don't want it, you can easily do that. Now in order to do it, in the lock screen or go to the settings and simply go to this option of there we go, wallpapers. Just simply go over there, hit customize. In this home screen, hit customize, and once you do that, here only you're gonna see this option of a blur. Just on this right bottom corner, just simply turn this off. Once you do that, hit done and come back again to the home screen. You will see that the blur effect from the wallpaper have been removed, and that's a by default feature, so you have to turn it off manually in order to get the wallpaper on your home screen clear. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.